What is it?
It's Friday.
No, it's only Friday. It is Friday, isn't it? Think about it. Go on, then. Go on. And then get.
Go on, you got
Oh, yeah. So, what is it?
It's FPV Friday.
No. What did I just tell you?
What?
I said it's only.
Oh, it's only.
You missed that bit out.
Oh, God.
For fuck's sake.
Okay, right.
Right.
Start again.
Okay.
Yeah. Lucky you can edit this.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Well, I might not. I might just put it in. So, what is it?
It's the day before Saturday.
Yeah, that's true. I knew I should have done it with you.
Go on.
You're going to do it seriously now. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is it?
It's only FPV Friday.
I was hoping on this video that I'll be showing you my new drone, which would have been the Avata 360. But unfortunately, that's not going to happen just yet, guys, because let's go through it. Now, 4 months ago, I put up a video about it's not for me. That means I wanted to buy the 360 mainly, and it's still in my head, it's all about the editing. That would do my head in. But since then, there was another video which was called the Avata 3 with a question mark, because there was talk about there was going to be the 360 and the Avata 3. But I think what they meant really was that the Avata 360, you can fly it with a single lens. So that's going to be the Avata 3. Maybe they will bring out, but there's no rumours about it. So that was another video, and I was still, no, not going to buy that drone. And then, must have been about December, I bought out another video and I called it Wait for the Avata 360 with a question mark. And what that meant was, in December, Antigravity A1 bought their drone out. And there was talk that DJI was going to bring it out at the same time, because the other thing was the YouTube people that were given the 360 drone had it in December, that long back. And then we had the rumours, January, February, March. Well, March it happened on the 26th at 1 PM for me anyway. But I did bring out another video like a month before, must have been about February time, and I called it Why Has DJI Been So Quiet? And I was referring to the 360 drone because we hadn't heard nothing. And of course, during all this time, I had so many different rumours. One of them is going to be very similar to the Antigravity A1 drone. I'm on about the weight. Well, that's completely wrong. It's a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger than I thought, because they obviously did like a pre-release with the guys that made the videos for it. Just a bit of a teaser, really, what the drone can do. And then on the 26th, we obviously had them all coming out. It's showing you what the drone can do. And I'll be honest, it's pretty amazing. But I felt a little bit conned by DJI, because they didn't say on there it was a pre-release, because 10 minutes before it went to 1 o'clock, I usually go on to the DJI site and it was there. So I got the solo version. I also bought the replacement glass, because I know me, I'm going to crash it and it's going to scratch the glass. So it come to 480. I can't moan at that, and that's another reason why I bought this drone, because of the price, really. And I know it's not my drone that I would take out every day, really, and that's the other problem. So, you know, I don't know. Anyway, what then annoyed me, obviously I bought the drone, they taken my money, I got confirmation from DJI, and then I think a bit longer than that. Let's just try and get this right now. I've got a couple of people walking past me. I've lost it. Yeah, I didn't get nothing else. Now usually, when I always buy the drones on the launch date, usually within 24 hours I get an email from DHL, because they're the guys that send it to me, to say when it's going to come. And sometimes it's come next day, sometimes I waited a couple of days. So I was expecting it at last weekend. Anyway, didn't get nothing. So in the end, I had to go on to DJI support, go into their chat, and then I got the confirmation. express delivery, they say. 28th of April. So yeah, I felt a little bit conned there, but I'm not gonna want the money back. I'm just gonna wait. I mean, I've been waiting since last year anyway, so what's another month, eh? But anyway, on saying all that, you're not going to see the 360 for another month, guys. So what I've done in the meantime, as always with my FPV Fridays, is I've put next a little clip, amazing place, and I've got to thank, you can't believe this, I've got to thank Kev from Where the Robbits. Check it out. Now, he's only just recently bought his Avata 2, and I'm learning something off somebody that's only had it a couple of weeks. But he was saying, and I know it's true, but I had to try it out, is you can fly your drone as low as you like towards the ground. I'm on about flying, I don't mean diving at the ground, but flying along. And because it's got those down sensors, you won't touch the ground. So that's what's in the video. So check out Where the Robbits. I don't think, Kev, you've named that drone yet, have you? Because all these other drones have got names. See you soon. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone, see you soon.
Sooner.
Just like till life ended. See you sooner. With the Roberts, see you sooner.
sooner. Gonna see you sooner. Sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. Sooner.